The Tanabata Festival, also known as the Star Festival, is based upon the Milky Way. People celebrate this day by writing wishes and placing them onto a tree. Today we will create a star streamer to hold our wish. For anyone very young taking part, I advise a guardian, as there are certain materials that might require assistance. Here are some of the rainbow coloured streamers that I made for the Tanabata Festival. As you can see, there's loads of different types of shapes that you can do. If you find origami quite difficult, you can simply just get a nice piece of paper and cut it to whatever shape you like and put string through it. You can always decorate them afterwards. This is another example that I did where you can just get scraps of paper and put your little streamers on the bottom of it. They look lovely when they're fraying in the wind. And today the ones that we are going to do are the star streamers. I like to write my wish on the inside, so for those of you who want your wish to be private, you can just pop it on the inside and then fold it into your star, and there you go. The materials that you will need for this today are very little: Pritt stick, a pen, scissors, and 2 sheets of paper. I'm also going to use my paper folding tool, which is a really handy tool, but it's not necessary. So taking a look at our star streamer, and just a reminder that this is what we're going to make today. So getting our first sheet of paper, we will fold it down, making sure to get the corners exact. Set that aside and do the same with your next sheet of paper. And fold it down like so. Getting to the edge. Fold it at the rectangular length. And we have our 2 sheets of paper. We're now going to cut the remaining piece of paper. Now open each page. Fold each page down the centre. A good way of folding paper, it seems simple, but is to get the edges exact. Place it down and then get your thumbs, and it's always a good way of getting it evenly folded. You can then write your wish on whichever piece of paper you like, and then once it's folded into the star, it's your private wish for no one to see. And folding each one of these just in half there. Just going to make sure that that crease is very sharp. Now, taking the left sheet of paper, fold the left side down. Like so. Fold the right side up. And then we will do the same with the right piece of paper. Folding the left side down and the right side up. Now making our next fold. Spinning it around. Folding that into the crease there. And doing the same on the other side. I'm going to get my paper folding tool just to secure the crease. And there we go. We're left with these two diamond shapes. Unfold the diamond shapes and let's create an X. Like so. Lift the yellow. Place the blue into the yellow. And lift the yellow again and place the blue on the other side. It can be quite confusing, so feel free to press pause and zone in on each shape as you do it. This is it at the back. Now we need to get the yellow, place it in here, into the blue. So we have this shape now. And we'll get our other yellow and we will place it, bear with me, there we go. Perfect. We've got our perfect star with our wish tightly enclosed. I'm going to hang my wishes on a piece of twisted willow, which I happen to have. And there we go. I wish you all the best with your wishes and may the stars be with you at the Star Festival. Thanks very much, everyone. Bye.